Hello everyone, in today's video we're building a custom 18650 lithium-ion charger using the reliable TP4056 modules. I recently ran into a problem. I have these four 1865 cells but no dedicated way to charge them all at once. So I decided to build a simple dual slot charger using these battery holders and two charging modules. Firstly, I'm going to sand down and trim the edges of these battery holders. Some of these plastic slots grip the batteries a bit too tightly, making them hard to remove later. A quick trim ensures the cells pop in and out easily. Next, it's time for assembly. Using some hot glue, I'll join the two battery holders together. Once those are secure, I'll flip the unit over and mount the two TP4056 modules directly to the back. This keeps the footprint small and makes the wiring much cleaner. With the glue set and the modules in place, I'm firing up the soldering station. I'll cut my wires to a length for a neat fit and solder them directly to the B plus and B minus pins on the modules. Note, I'm leaving the out pins empty because this is a dedicated charger. We don't need the load protection output for this specific build. Now the build is complete, so let's test it out. I'll pop the batteries in and plug in the power. As you can see on the back, the red LEDs are glowing on both modules, which means they're successfully drawing current and charging the cells. While we wait for this to top up, I have a quick announcement. I've officially launched a Patreon. If you enjoy these projects and want to support the channel, head over there to get a behind the scenes look. Supporters get access to project files, early updates, and more premium content for all my upcoming builds. Now let's check back onto the batteries. The red light has switched to blue, indicating a full charge. It's time to take them off the charger and put them to use. This was a quick 30-minute project that solved a real problem in my workshop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.